It's been such a long time coming, but just shout out to my client Aaliyah. She been rocking with me for almost like 3 years now. So hallelujah for that. Loyal clients are really hard to find. But either way, I really just wanted to talk a little bit today about taking to the ant. So this is something that I've been kind of just thinking about for a while, just on the strength of the fact that, for one, I always hear this in scripture all the time, taken to the ant. But it wasn't until I had like an ant invasion in my house that I really just understood how ants operate. And they really are these type of bugs that, for one, it's hard to get rid of them because they on a stack or starve mission. Like, that's what they do. And they don't care that it's your house and that you left a couple crumbs out on accident. They're gonna come and they're gonna get those crumbs, you hear me? And they're gonna invade. They're gonna send out however many times they gotta come in, no matter how many times you get rid of them, no matter how many traps you put out for them, no matter how much you try to block their blessings. Guess what? They're coming, and they're coming with a force. You hear me? So I feel like this is me with this hair care, with really all of the things that I do, honestly, because I do a lot of things, not just hair. But either way, in doing hair, it just showed me over the years, because I've been doing this almost 15 years now, it really just showed me, like, no matter how many times that I get blocked from doing this, even just not even from outside forces, but from my own self, just just talking down on my skills, just not taking it seriously, just whatever it is, getting in the way of my talent, getting in the way of my flow, as far as this being an income stream, as far as this being something that I really am passionate about doing, that I truly enjoy doing, especially on the healing aspect, not even just just doing hair just to be doing it, but because it's very therapeutic for myself, for my clients, and just I personally enjoy seeing the fruits of my labor, especially with like this client here. Like, she has been dealing with some issues with breakage in her locks for a while now, and we kind of got disconnected because I got pregnant, and she had to go and find another loctician, and she ended up coming back, and I'm pretty sure don't have anything to do with me personally, but just for the simple fact that she's finding solutions to her issue. And I'm glad that I can provide the services that she needs to get what she needs done, and to watch her hair go from literally almost falling out of her head to the progress. And we're not even fully done. Every time she comes, we keep doing more and more, little by little, until we get her locks to the perfection that she can enjoy. So I'm glad that I can be a part of this journey with her. I'm glad to be a part of the journey with anybody. And hallelujah.